everyone, and welcome back to Crafty Relish. Thank you so much for being here. I have a new project for you today. We're going to be making tiles. This, of course, is for my Alicia Dollhouse project, and I want to do the upstairs bathroom floor in tile. And I tried working with the egg carton stone and the polymer clay stone, or turning polymer clay into stone shapes, but it just wasn't working for me. None of them made me happy. So I was up late one night just thinking, how can I do this? How can I do this? And I'm sure I'm not the only one out there, but I hadn't searched anything online. So I thought, I'm going to make my own tiles using paper and resin. So what I did was I just took some cardstock that you can find in the craft stores. This one's 65-pound cardstock. And I cut them into all these nice little paper shapes. These are 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square, which in 1/24 scale makes a 12-inch tile, which is what I wanted. And then for the decoration on them, I purchased nail stickers, nail art stickers. These I got online, but I've seen them in drugstores, dollar stores, Walmart, Target. And as you can see here, these are the stickers I'm using on my tile. After I applied the sticker, I then covered it in UV resin and cured that, which made this really nice little tile. It gives it a nice little shine. It gives it a nice little dimension to it. When I was doing some of my test stickers, you could see it best in this. See if I can get a little more light here. You can see it best in this one, how I put the sticker down before I put any resin onto the tile, so you could see the lighter part where the sticker is covering the paper, and it doesn't make a nice blend. You can see it in the lighter one too, but not as much. And then this was just my plain test tile. So what I did was, when I was actually doing these tiles, which as you can see no differentiation in color, what I did was I spread a little bit of the UV resin, just a thin layer, just so it would soak into the paper. Then I put the sticker on. Then I put the resin on top of that and cured it. So again, very, very simple, but I'm going to need a lot of them. So it's just a little tedious in getting them all done. I'll show you now. And we will do one with a sticker on it, which now, of course, I don't know where I put my pieces that There we go. So this is the one I've been using. And all you do is you take your UV resin, and I have this little spatula. It's silicone, bendy, very easy to work with the resin. And all you do is you take a tiny bit of the resin, you wipe it on the tile, just so you make the tile look a little wet. You take your sticker. I have this little needle tool that I use. And let's see, we'll use one of these. You just peel it off, and then you stick it on your tile, which now it's sticking to my finger, so excuse me for that. You just stick it on your tile, make sure it's placed where you want it, and then you just slowly drip. You can do a couple of drips in a row, and you just spread it to the edge of your tile. You need a little bit more. Again, spread it to the edge of your tile. And I'm working on a silicone mat today. Yesterday I was working on wax paper. But I'm like, well, silicone mat's a lot easier because it's not going to stick to it. And you just eyeball it, make sure it's even and that there's no dips in the resin. And it's amazing how much you can put on and it doesn't go over the edges. Okay, there you go. And then you just cure that. I did it for 3 minutes on each side. So once it was cured for 3 minutes on the top side, I cured it for the 3 minutes on the reverse side, just to make sure that it was really dry. And you end up with that beautiful little tile. It's got a nice little shine to it too. I will show you the completed floor. Well, actually, I'll show you the floor as it's in progress. But there's my paper, nail art sticker, and UV resin tile. I hope you like it, and come back and visit again soon. Thank you. Bye.